The Samsung Galaxy S23 and now the S23 Ultra is here with the new render design. And these designs are the official marketing material that will be used by Samsung itself on their official announcement. Even Ice Universe has confirmed these designs for the S23 Ultra with these renders. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, these new renders also confirms the color of the S23 Ultra, even confirms every single design change that is coming for this particular device. As per these renders, we are getting to get 4 color options in the S23 Ultra: Phantom Black, Botanic Green, Mystic Lilac and Cotton Flower, and some colors are exclusive on Samsung.com, where Roscius confirms those colors and they are going to be grey, light blue and red. Now if you take a closer look at those design of the S23 Ultra, it had a perfect balance between the flat and the curved display with the least visual interface as per the Ice Universe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which color option did you like most in the S23 Ultra? So guys, if you take a closer look between the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has left to right frame of up to 2.7mm, a chin of up to 3.6 or 3.7mm, quite similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But here's the difference, where the middle frame of the S23 Ultra is a bit wider than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that is the reason why S23 Ultra looks much thicker than the S22 Ultra. The button on the S23 Ultra are moved down and widened. The camera lenses on the S23 Ultra are larger than the Galaxy S22 Ultra and also a bit thicker. There is also a good display protection just because of having a flat display, so flat display lovers love to see this feature on the S23 Ultra. There is another rumor and a bit weird one for the S23 Ultra that is going to be coming with only black color S Pen despite having any other color options. Previously it was matte color S Pen on the Galaxy Note series, but now this is not the case with the S23 Ultra, even confirmed by these new renders. Just to let you know guys, Samsung is also doing something better for the bigger lenses on the S23 Ultra, and they are protecting the lens with a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and will make a different ring design just like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to keep it safe from scratching. Another amazing thing we are going to be getting for the S23 Ultra is its new cases. While the phone is not out yet, but new cases are here. Samsung started the reservation for the S23 Ultra, and you guys are going to get a $50 credit if you reserve your Galaxy device. And if you are reserve both the smartphone and the laptop, then you will get a $100 credit. If you guys wanted to see the official pricing of the S23 series, here is the link. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.